Hi, my name is Lara and today I'm here at the Infineon HVAC booth. Our semiconductor solutions support the whole range of HVAC system solutions, beginning with our demo here on the left, which is an actual heat pump. Then also moving on to the right side, we have the inverter of the heat pump here. This is an 18 kilowatt system featuring our EconoPIM power module and an Infineon gate driver. Then for the whole topic of smart HVAC, we have our connectivity demos here with our highlight, which is the smart thermostat featuring the CO2 sensor measuring the CO2 content in the air, and the radar sensor measuring the distance of the people in front of the sensor. So you see we have the whole product range for HVAC system solutions at our booth.